Okay, in researching my broken differential strap, I came across a couple of threads that said the rubber straps stink. You should buy nylon straps. Well, Moss has the nylon straps. They're like 40 bucks for two little pieces of nylon. So in my ultimate wisdom, well, since I'm early retired and I have more time than money, I've got tons of this nylon webbing. I figured, hey, I'll just make my own. How hard can it be? Well, in order to make my own, I have to learn how to use a sewing machine. Now, I've never used a sewing machine before, really, and it's complicated. When I try to sew the webbing, I just get big balls of thread here, and something is not right with all this stuff. I'm not really sure. This goes in here and spins, and I'm not really sure how this works. But so anyway, yeah. Now it's time to learn how a sewing machine works so I can make these and save myself 40 bucks. I'll let you know how it turns out.
2 hours later.